Hello and welcome to today's NetBeez live demo. Today we'll show you how you can monitor Wi-Fi networks with SSID hopping. So what is SSID hopping? SSID hopping enables Wi-Fi agents to hop between multiple SSIDs, making them capable of monitoring many Wi-Fi networks. So clearly the benefits is that you can use one single hardware sensor at one location to monitor multiple Wi-Fi network without needing to deploy one sensor per Wi-Fi network. So it will reduce the number of sensors that you have to deploy at remote sites. And clearly the benefits of this is that also you can test authentication and connection. Because every time that the agent hop between different SSIDs, it will reconnect and test the whole kind of connection process. So that's also a benefit of SSID hopping. And as you know, this is a use case particularly important for enterprise users that have many SSIDs nowadays, 2 or even 3 or 4. Typically, they have a private SSID reserved for employees that can access internet or intranet resources, while another guest, maybe SSID, can be used for visitors. So how can you monitor SSID hopping in NetBeez? So this is a new feature that was released in 1.5. And to create a hopping group, that's how you monitor multiple SSIDs. You have to select 2 to 4 SSIDs, so Wi-Fi networks that you want to monitor. You select the hopping interval expressed in minutes, and then you select the Wi-Fi agents. Please keep in mind that a Wi-Fi agent can only be assigned to a hopping group or to an SSID, but not to both. Because of course, you know, can only have one profile, a specific Wi-Fi agent. So let's see how the latest and greatest NetBeez version 1.5 released on January the 18th. As you can see here, I have a different set of agents. I go now to the Wi-Fi tab, and here you can see that we have 2 SSIDs. One is a NetBeez and one is a NetBeez guest. So these were already configured. And you can see that here now the agents, this green lollipop, show that the agent just connected to this new SSID. And then I'll show you why. So of course, these are the readings of the Wi-Fi monitoring. You can see the signal strength, the link quality, and so on. And this is the other SSID where they just disconnected before connecting to the NetBeez at the moment. So here you see this button, Manage Hopping Groups, available since 1.5. I click there and you can see they've already this is the existing default hopping group that I've created. Let me show you how I did this. I click on Create Hopping Group. You name the hopping group with, say, Test Live Demo. You can add also a description. Then in next, you select SSIDs. You need to select at least 2 and no more than 4. Then you click next. Now you select the interval. The interval is determined. Of course, you can select, but you see that these interval options are based on the number of SSIDs that you have selected. So in this case, I can make 15 minutes like I have in my current configuration. And then click next. The last step is select the agents that you want to include in this hopping group. As you can see, most of the agents are already taken by the existing default hopping group. But if you decide to get another agent, you will have a warning message, and then you have to reassign it. Of course, for this demonstration, I'm not going to save this hopping group because we already have one available, but I just want to show you how easy is the workflow. Once you click Save after having selected the agents, the hopping group will be created and the agents will be reconfigured to monitor that Wi-Fi network. As you can see, here is happening. One last thing I want to show you is like, look how the agents that are hopping, how it looks like. This is the console page. Let me go to the general. You can see that this guy is hopping because it's in the default hopping group. And you can see that this agent was assigned a specific set of targets and is monitoring now on Google through the NetBeez SSID. Then, of course, in 15 minutes, because that's the interval set, it will connect to NetBeez guest and monitor Google from that Wi-Fi network. The tests are split because, of course, the profile, the performance profile to Google on one SSID is not necessarily the same on another SSID. So if there is a problem with Google on one SSID, you will get an alert just for that specific SSID and not for the other ones. There you go. Okay, I hope this demo was beneficial to learn more about SSID hopping. If you want to learn more, of course, you can schedule or request a demo at our website, netbeez.net. Thank you.